Hi, I'm Kevin. Today I'm making chickpea brownies. Now you're probably thinking, ew, but trust me, these brownies are particularly delicious. In fact, they're beyond delicious. So first up, heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then select a pan. Now you could use a 9-inch round cake pan or an 8-inch square pan. And you want to either butter the pan or spray it with vegetable spray, or do what I did and line it with parchment paper. All right, so the batter is made in a blender, and I'm going to use my Vitamix. You can use any old blender that you happen to have. And to the blender jar, add 4 large eggs. Then add 1 15-ounce can of chickpeas. Actually, it's a 15.5-ounce can. And you want to drain and rinse the chickpeas. In they go. You're going to be amazed at just how easy this recipe is. Then add 1 cup of regular granulated sugar. And then we have to blend this until it's smooth. Let me move the camera so you can see. We'll just focus on this. Here we go. And you might want to cover your ears because I think this is going to be pretty loud. I didn't even get the lid on properly. Better double check. I don't want batter flying all over the place. We're good. Yep, it's smooth. And then, oh, I do not like this tripod. Okay, and then add a ½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is the extract that I made myself last summer. It's really potent. Also add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Make sure your baking powder, make sure your baking powder is fresh. Also add a ½ teaspoon of salt. Better move this up a bit. And finally, add 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I'm using this brand, Ghirardelli. It's pretty high quality chocolate. And then, once again, put the lid on and blend until smooth. You want everything really well mixed. Yeah, I told you this was loud. Have a look. The batter looks terrific. Smells really good too. Then Get my pan over here. Dip the batter into the pan. And the reason I use parchment paper is because I'm planning to unmold the brownies. Grab my spatula. I think a yellow spatula is best here. I want to get all this goodness into the pan. And smooth it out. This goes into the 350-degree oven until a skewer inserted in the center comes out clean or fairly clean. That will take about 30 minutes. We'll come back. All right, fresh out of the oven, and as you can see, the batter puffed up really nicely. That's because of the eggs in the mix. I'm going to let this cool for, 10 minutes or so, and then we can have a taste. Okay, I can't wait for this to cool completely. I'm really hungry. So let's unmold it. And this is why I used parchment paper. This, put it on a cutting board, and then, yeah, it's still pretty hot. Nevertheless, oh, this is beautiful. Ooh, it's nice and gooey in the middle. Just the way I like it. A taste. It's a winner. You know, sometimes I use bittersweet chocolate instead of semi-sweet, and it's really great with the bittersweet chocolate too. So you could experiment with different kinds of chocolate. This is a winning recipe, so I hope you'll run out and buy a can of chickpeas and a bag of semi-sweet or bittersweet chocolate chips or chocolate morsels and make the chickpea brownies. Really, really delicious. I'm going to title this video Scrumptious Chickpea Brownies because that's exactly what they are. And I will post the ingredients in the description box below. Actually, I should go like this. And, excuse me, I'm still chewing this. And yeah, I'll put the ingredients in the description box below. And when you're heading down to read them, I hope you'll give this recipe a thumbs up. And click the subscribe button as well as the little bell so that you can tap the little bell so that you can receive notifications every time I post a new recipe. I'm going to eat a few more of these, if not the whole thing, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now. Who are we kidding? Of course I'm going to eat the whole thing. Thanks for watching. See you soon.